with the thunder, baby, might just clap your crew.
Hey guys, how's everybody doing tonight? Welcome to a new video from Bolts to the Wall Trading. Today is Thursday, July 12th, 2018, and this is going to be my watch list for Friday, July 13th, 2018. Bolts to the Wall Trading is a channel that I created in order to encourage people to learn how to trade and basically guide people to learn how to trade and just break down the barrier or the stereotype that trading is difficult. So that's really my goal, and I like to make things very simple. I like to keep things simple and not really use big words. I try to keep everything low-key so everybody can understand, whether you're a brand new trader or you're an intermediate trader. I really just want to make things simple so you guys can understand that it is really not as difficult as people make it out to be. I'm not a financial advisor nor planner, so anything that I discuss here is just my personal opinion. And as always, please do your own research. Please do your own research. I can't stress that enough. I have a free chat room through the Discord app where you can join and ask questions, and I'll be able to help out, or other members will be able to help you out. I'll leave the link of that chat room in the description of the video. I also have a course available for purchase where I teach you everything that I know how to trade. If you're more of a day trader or a swing trader, or you want to learn both styles of trading are in the course. I teach you about candlesticks, moving averages, indicators, how to set up your scanner, everything, and that's available for $100, and I will leave the link in the description of the video as well. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. Thank you so much for all the support, and I apologize, yesterday I didn't put a video out because my recording software was giving me some issues, so hopefully today that won't be the case. And for those new viewers, I discuss day trading first and then I go into swing trading. So we will be going into day trading first. And before I get into that, just want to let you guys know that I did receive some requests for stocks that you want me to review through the chat room. So I will do that towards the end of the video. So if we go into my day trading watch list, the first one that I have is IZEA. So as far as day trading, I like to have my chart set up in a 1 day 5-minute setup, and the way that I like to day trade is momentum, or aka the high. So in all my videos I say the same thing, and I apologize if I sound repetitive, but this is my style of trading. This does not mean that this is the only way to trade. It just means that this is what works for me. So please keep in mind that there are many ways of trading, and you have to identify if this is a way that you like, and if not, then that's totally fine, but you need to understand that there are many different ways of trading. So for day trading, what I like to look for is I like to trade the high. So we can see right here that IZEA, it hit a high today in the pre-market session of $2.87. So what I like to see is for the stock to come up and cross above the high with good volume, and that could set it off for a nice gain. As you can see right here, again, it hit that high in the pre-market session. It went down, and when the stock market opened up, it just kind of went sideways. It started gaining some strength, but it can never cross above $2.87. It is trending up, or did trend up towards the end of the day. It kind of sold off a little bit after the market closed, and it's kind of hanging around $2.38. So it has some room to make up, but I do like the fact that it's moving in the post-market session. So if tomorrow this can cross $2.87 with good volume, it could create a nice opportunity. The next one is BBOX. This one has been around for I think a couple days. So we had the high, this was yesterday. We had the high at $2.40. Today in the pre-market session, it got up to about $2.39, so really close. The stock market opened up, it went up to $2.38, again really close. Could never come back up to $2.40 or close to $2.40, and right now it's at $2.30, so it's 10 cents away. That's why I'm keeping it on my watch list, because 10 cents is really nothing. It could make that up within a couple of minutes. So again, the play for my style of day trading is for the stock price to start to curl up, cross above $2.40 with good volume, and that could send it trending upwards. As always, you need to have a backup plan. These stocks don't do what we want them to do. These stocks can very well go up, cross the line, and come down fairly quickly, and if you don't have a backup plan, you could lose some money. So always have a backup plan, please. Prepare yourself for the worst, because you never know what's going to happen. The next one, UXIN. So where is a high? It's at $8.60 right there, and as you can tell, it went up to that $8.60 price twice, but it can never break above, and right now it's currently at $8.45. So again, hopefully tomorrow this can cross 860 with good volume, and it could set it off for a nice gain. And the last one is GOGO. This one is trending in the post market. It reached a high of 535, so that's where I would draw my line. And if you want to get technical, this is called a resistance line. Right now it's at about $5.15, so it has 20 cents to make up to reach that $5.35 mark. And again, we just want the price to cross above 535 with good volume, and that could set it off. Again, I can't stress enough that day trading is very fast paced. You need to have a plan. You need to have a backup plan in case things don't go your way. Please do not invest. Please do not day trade if you're not sure of what you're doing, and if you're not, if you haven't been used to day trading. It moves very, very quickly, and it could catch you off guard if you're not used to it. So be very, very careful, please. So that is my day trading watch list. Switching over to swing trading, I like to do a yearly chart where each candle is a day. And again, if you're interested in learning to day trade or swing trade, I have that course available for $100. I'll leave the link in the description of the video. It's bolsterthewalltrading.com, and that will redirect you to the course page. So let's see here. I didn't mention it in yesterday's video, but I did get out of my position that I was in LPI. This is the one that I was in, and the reason I got out of it is because yesterday it went down a lot. It went down like 40 cents or so. So it did hit my stop. Let me zoom in. It did hit my stop, and it sold off. So I walked away with a profit, so I can't complain. But it looks like it might bounce off the moving averages and go back up, but I'm out of this one, so I'm not really gonna follow it anymore. CRMD, this is one that I've been in for a while. This is a long-term play, so I'm not really gonna talk about this one. And I just got into CLNE today. I bought in this candle right here, where the yellow arrow is. My target is somewhere above here, and if it was able to break that, then the 52-week high of about $4. So we'll see how this one plays out. I do have some that I will be watching for tomorrow and the following week. We have HK. I want this one to kind of come down a little bit more towards the support line that I have drawn out right here in the blue. GEN. This is another one that I wanted to come down to support. PIR. This one's right at support, but it's not giving me the buy signal that I like to see. MBT. I need it closer to support. BTG, I was in the stock earlier in the year and it didn't do anything for me, so I might just delete this one, because once I get in the stock and it doesn't work out for me, I don't really like to get in on it. However, it is bouncing off of support, but for the reason that I just mentioned, I'm probably not going to go back into it. STNG, this one's at support. I want to see what it does tomorrow. ADMV, again, want it closer to that support line. HL, I might have missed this opportunity with HL, but we'll see. And I think that BKS, no, that's a bad one. I'm not even going to show you that one. IOTS, I think this is a good one. Yeah, this one's right at support, so I want to see what it does tomorrow. CLNE, that's the one that I got in on today. JPS, this is another one that's very close to support. TK, man, I got a lot. TK, need it closer to the support line. And that is it. So now let me take a look at the stocks that were put in the chat room, which again, if you join the chat room, you can put in your requests in there, and I'll give you my opinion. And before I even discuss these, again, this is all my opinion. It does not mean that my word is the law. Just understand that this is my opinion. You do with my opinion whatever you want. If just because a stock might look bad to me does not mean that it should look bad to you. This is just my opinion. So the first one we have is PPR, and this is for a swing trade. So I don't really like the candlesticks. They look kind of weird to me, but let's see what we have here. Yeah, it looks like it's at support. So the 52-week low was $4.97, and it's at $5.01. So I would get in on this one, and just set my stop loss a little bit below 497. So maybe get in at like 502 and put my stop loss at 495. I would consider this one a low risk, high reward type deal, where if it doesn't go your way, it goes down a couple cents and you get out. So the chart doesn't look all that good to me, but since it is one of those low risk, high reward, I can dig it. I like it. But again, that's just my opinion. The next one, ENZ. Alright, let's see. So this is trending down. So if you guys see the, wrong one. If you guys see the pattern, this is trending downwards for an entire year, which isn't good. But let's see. This is pretty much the same situation as the last one that I just did. The 52-week low was $4.97. It's at $5.15. So again, you could get in at $5.15 or $5.16 and put your stop loss at just under $4.97. The chart doesn't look good to me. I wouldn't get in on this one just because it is on a downtrend for a year basically. But if you did want to get in, I could see why. It's a low risk, high reward type deal because the price is so close to the 52-week low. So again, if you wanted to get in on it, I could understand why, but I don't like the chart. Next one, AGEN. So I had this one a while ago because I have this line right here. And this line. Oh, alright. So this would be another one of those situations. So all these three are low risk, high reward type scenarios. 52-week low is at $2.13. The price is at $2.21. I personally wouldn't get in on it. It's not telling me to buy. The chart does look way better than the previous one, but if you did want to get in on it, I could see why. It's close to the 52-week low. You can get in at $2.21 or $2.23 and then put your stop loss just below $2.13, and you walk away with a small loss in case things don't go your way. But again, that's my opinion. If you really like these, then go for it. Let me see if there's anything else. Nope. That is all I got for you guys. Again, thank you for the support. Please subscribe and like if you enjoy these videos. Please give me a thumbs up, positive comments. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Again, I'll leave the link to the chat room in the description of the video. I'll leave the link to the course that teaches you everything I know for $100 in the description of the video as well. And I'll leave it there. Good night, everybody.